This video shows how to add BMW F Chassis BDC key via CAN OBD method. The overall ACDP connection is shown in the figure. The overall ACDP2 connection is shown in the figure. Open ACDP app. Make sure the device is connected. Click BMW. Click FEM BDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC OBD F Chassis. Click Module Initial Programming Process. Click Read Coding Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Viewing Vehicle Information. Click Continue. Click OK. Save coding data. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Read coding data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Program Upgrade System. Click DCAN Up Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click OK. Save the vehicle system data. Click OK. System status, ECU system is normal, need preprocessed. Click Continue. Click OK. Prepare to program. Click OK. The ECU system is being preprocessed, please wait. Program BDC system finish. Click OK. Click OK. Return to previous layer. Click Write coding data. Click OK. Click Continue. System status normal. Click Continue. Please select coding data. Click OK. Select the previously backed up coding data file. Write coding data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Return to previous layer. Click Add key. Click OK. Click Continue. Check the system status to make sure that it does not require pre-processing. Click Continue. Please put the working key close to the emergency start sensing antenna position, as shown in the figure. Click Continue. Screenshot or click Export to save IMMO information. Click OK. Click OK. Select any blank key path. Click Continue. Please put the new key close to the emergency start sensing antenna position, as shown in the figure. Click OK. Complete the new key programming. Click OK. Click OK. Check whether the new key functions properly. Thanks for watching.